Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your comments on YouTube, and I mean those YouTube comments which you have ever made on YouTube in your YouTube browsing and commenting history. Even if you made some comments on some YouTuber videos a year or 3 or 5 years ago, to check your YouTube comments which you have made, you have to be logged in into your account. And here, if you are in your YouTube channel, or if you don't have a YouTube channel, then here in the left hand side you will see this hamburger icon. Just click on it and it will open you navigation like this, and here you will see this tab or button history. Just click into this history and here you will see all your watch history. So these are videos which you have watched recently, and you can also check them here. And here in the left hand side you will see manage all history. Here you will see this tab comments. Just click in these comments and you will see all your comments which you have ever made on YouTube. So yes guys, hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.